Hope everyone is doing well. Right now I'm actually heading to a tire shop, but it's not gonna be for me. I'm gonna be meeting my homie Car over there. He's gonna be getting wheels and tires mounted on his RAV4, which is really exciting. Last night, as you guys saw, I just washed my car, you know, my weekly routine. I showed you guys last week how I washed my car and stuff, so hopefully you guys learned something about that. But yeah, guys, I've got to admit though, I've been slacking with posting and getting videos up and, you know, prioritizing YouTube as much. I think it's just because now that I've realized that I'm, you know, graduating in a couple months and, you know, life is kind of just like going pretty at a fast rate right now. I haven't really had time to focus much on, you know, creating content, which sucks. I mean, I've always had this issue. It's always been like this, but I don't know, especially like recently, I feel it like 10 times now. And I just look back at December, like literally a couple months ago, and I think to myself, how the hell was I able to do that? Posting 25 days straight. And I hate to admit it, but posting that much actually made a difference. And I hadn't realized, but this previous month in February was the first time last year that I took posting content pretty seriously. I made it that routine of posting once a week, and I guess I've kind of upheld to those standards. But as of right now, it's difficult. But I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Pretty much what I'm saying is I low-key need to be more riskier. I need to try harder, and you know, I need to take more risks because how else am I supposed to grow if I don't? So yeah. Excited, famo?
Yo, it's actually so nice, dude. I didn't think it was gonna look like this one. Like, it's hard to envision what the wheel would look like on the car
without actually being on the car.
Without it actually, like, you can hold it up to the wheel and like imagine like, oh, it's gonna look fire. But it's really different when the actual wheel's on. Like,
yeah.
Look, it's so nice.
Oh shit! There it is. Fire. Hey, dude, they're leaving with your car.
He said, "Fuck it."
You just took your shit and left.
He just took my shit and bounced.
That looks pretty good, I can't lie. How you feeling?
Dude, I feel good, dude. It's been so long. Honestly, I've been putting it off for a really long time, but after seeing it like this, I realized I want to do more stuff to my car. Almost like half a year. I put half a year, so I've had it for a really long time, but now it's next to like the roof rack, a ladder, and then some nice lights, and that's it.
And then we take it to some trails.
Yeah, trails. That's nice, dude.
Them guys. Hey, Haku, if you're watching, how we looking? Dude, this looks really, really good. Hey, don't sleep on RAV4, guys. RAV4s are fire. This looks really, really set up well now. And this is just wheels and tires. No suspension, no nothing, no spacers, just straight on.
Dude, this is my whip, bro. This is my ride. Dude, no, honestly, it looks super nice. And also, I really like the way the tires look. The tires are really nice. They have good tread on them. He really hooked me up. Shouts out to Haku, bro.
Hello everyone. By the time that I'm filming this, I currently haven't edited anything and it is Monday. It has been now a week since I posted the last video, which means I am behind schedule. It is what it is, but you know, we move, and unfortunately this is going to come out a little bit later than I anticipated it to be. But that's okay. It's okay. I like to think that I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my car. Put a lot of effort into making it look nice. I put a lot of effort in maintaining it, you know, making sure that it's running good and that, you know, I would expect the car to reciprocate that and show itself that, you know what, I am doing a good job with taking care of the car. I am doing a good job with the upkeep. It doesn't seem like it. For the past couple days, maybe even weeks, or literally ever since I put these TEs on with these tires, I've been hearing such weird noises just cruising on the freeway. I took this to my Instagram, posted on my story, and I would say it was a good solid 70-30, maybe 60-40 split on these tires actually being just loud, noisy tires. Now, I don't know if it's exactly the tires making that noise from what people have told me. Like I mentioned, I'm kind of hoping it is just the tires. I've jacked the car up. I actually jacked the car up yesterday to see if it had to do with anything of like the wheel bearings or anything being loose. Sound's coming from the rear, so I checked the 2 rear corners. No noise, no play whatsoever. The rears are sturdy. I just don't know what the hell is going on with this car. Now, I love this car, guys. I love driving it. Every time that I think I want to get rid of it, whenever I drive it, day to day, it reminds me how much I enjoy this car and how much I love it. Considering this car has blown up before, considering the oil has been leaking on the timing cover since I bought it, and I had to take it in twice to get it fixed. Some other issues that I can't even think of as of the moment. It's getting tiring. And I think I'm reaching my breaking point. And it's such a shame because I really, really, really like this car. And I enjoy driving it. But it's like you put so much effort into something and you spend a lot of money on it. You see everyone else enjoying their cars, you know, beating the shit out of it, maybe doing even less tender loving care on their cars and their cars can handle it, you know. I don't see why this isn't doing the same. Like, why am I not getting the same results? You know what I'm saying? And I feel like with all the little other issues I haven't even mentioned yet, because this car does have it, it feels like I'm just chasing a ghost. And I don't even think it's worth it. Yeah, that's just kind of my stance on it. The car's been making noise for the longest time. And as much as I just want to ignore it and raise the volume, like, even if I raise the volume, I can still hear it. And if I want to talk to my girlfriend in the car, I have to lower the volume. The noise comes back, and then I'm just like... You know, we both can't really focus because of the noise. I want to take this car on road trips. I want to take it on long trips. I want to take it to the track more. I want to do all this stuff with it, but it feels like I'm just chasing a ghost with all these issues and noises and all that stuff. It's annoying. That's all. I love this car, guys. This car has introduced me to so many people and everything, but I feel like if you guys were also in my shoes, you probably would be feeling some type of way about it as well. But from you guys and your perspective, you guys probably think this is perfect and that there's nothing wrong with it. There's things wrong with it. Hello everyone, fast forward to now. It is now maybe like, it's only a day after actually. Your boy finished the midterms. I am now relaxing, chilling for now. Right now I am currently meeting up with Stefferson and Ant-Man. We're all gonna go to 240 Tuesdays. It's just another like car meet type of like thing. Really like, I don't say low key because I feel like it's gotten popping now, but if you guys know what 240 Tuesday is, y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm literally just chilling here. Steven gets here in a couple minutes. I don't know where Ant is, but yeah, we're just gonna go get some bevs before we head out. Hey.
What's going on, vlog? It's been a while.
It's been a freaking minute. Yeah, I was just telling them that I'm going to RAF.
That's right, let's go. I've been trying to get this guy to
No, yeah, literally bring it up since last month. And I was like, yeah, I'm going. And then once this month came up, I'm like, I don't know, but I'm like, you know what? I feel like a road trip would be fun, and then also experiencing RAF. Look at this, guys.
Yeah, what do you think of the setup?
Do you guys even recognize this thing anymore? What happened to this thing? This is Steven's car, believe it or not. Yes, I know there's no fat wing on it, but he's gone for a more conservative drift street style look. We also have a new mod right here.
Yeah, let's show this mod.
Yep, new mod right here, guys. Holy shit, it's crooked.
Did you?
Oh man. Oh my goodness gracious. Right? Steven was drifting on the street. Now I'm playing. Wishes it went like that.
No, I wish. That would have been a cooler story. I'm not gonna lie. So I think last week I was at a car meet and I was coming home from dinner. I was at a red light and all of a sudden I just get rear-ended. Yep.
Out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere.
At a red light. It was a kid, right?
It was
pretty young, and
he was pretty young.
He didn't see you.
He said that he broke too late and he assumed that I would just start going as soon as the light turned green, but I don't even think the light turned green at all. I don't want to assume, but he could be on his phone or not paying attention. So yeah, now we gotta let insurance deal with that.
It's okay, good payday, I hope. That's the goal.
I mean, so far it's looking like it.
So far it's looking like it.
Yeah.
This is Steven's setup because he went to GS this past weekend to drift and he wanted to change up the setup. That's pretty dead on, dude. It's actually really dead on. Look at this. It's like literally aligned damn near perfectly. Steven's car's looking good. This is like genuinely like my favorite setup so far.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. So it's a nice switch up from having a fat wing all the time.
Yeah, honestly.
Alright gang, we found parking. Kind of. This is the reason why I'm parking here, because everything else is really cooked. It's really fucking bad over here. It's genuinely cooked. We showed up way later than we should have. Hopefully nothing happens to the car, or at least we don't get towed or nothing. Oh shit.
He's in the hatch.
Is he? Oh shit, look, it's Helen. Hey, good luck finding parking, man. It's fucked.
There's no parking.
Yeah. Guys, peep Helen's Mini. This shit's kind of fucking wild. But y'all never seen a Mini on Model 5s before.
You just watched the car.
That looks pretty good, man. What do you think of his setup compared to his other one? Like with a big wing.
Nah, way better.
Right?
Way better.
So I'm saying.
Oh my god.
This shit looks way better like this.
Oh, that's crazy.
I'm no C vlog.
Give me a hug.
I miss you, bro. How's everything?
Dude, you look so different.
Yeah,
Look
I
at
lost
your hair.
more weight.
I did this. I
You
touched
dyed
it
his
up.
hair?
Yeah, she dyed it for me, yeah.
That's really cool.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
If you guys don't recognize what car this is or whose it is, I don't blame you. Because the last time y'all saw this car, it did not look like this. Fortunately, I did a no-no on the front bumper that we installed together. So it's he's back to rocking the OEM kooky because of that.
It's all good.
Hey man, you're still here. That's all that matters.
No, it's not the same without my cool bumper.
Hey guys, be nice to Garen in the comments, okay? He's still learning how to drive.
Like and subscribe. New driver.
He still has his learner's permit right now.
This is a mega insect. This is a mega evolved Pokemon. when I maxed,
What'd you say?
maxed out level Pokemon right there. Evolve, mega evolution.
But the meat's like typical 240 Tuesday stuff, but it isn't as packed as last time. What the fuck is this guy? Yeah, Garen's still the same, man. Peep Ant's car, guys. I don't think you guys seen it in a while, but in all this glory.
It's cool.
What do you think about it? Honestly.
Honestly, I love it.
Review.
I love it. I need a turbo in it.
All right, bad.
Restoring my daily headlights.
Oh.
He's taking this to RAF.
Wait, really?
Because I'm hauling the GS booth.
Dang, you think she's gonna make it?
She should. I've been to Vegas and Arizona.
Oh, yeah, you just do the oil change, you should be fine. Probably like, whose car is this? Nah, it's Asher's car. Wrapped it on this channel quite a bit ago. Look, he got some work done. Makes it a little bit different because he has a new front bumper, new wheels and stuff, but he's cooking up something for this car, but y'all just have to stay tuned for that. What do you think of Steven's current setup right now?
Like, what do you mean? The skirts and the...
Yeah, it's like,
Oh, dude. Fitment. I was telling them this earlier. This is it.
right?
This is the fitment.
Including the fitment, the kit,
I like
no wing.
I like the kit. I'm gonna be real. I don't like the TRD. I think the TRD rear spoiler. I think getting like the OEM, you know, like how I had
Yeah,
it.
when you had your.
Oh, that one's nice, yeah.
Okay.
Like OEM or like some sort of like just flat piece. I don't know. I'm not a fan of the duckbill anymore.
When I had like the people in my trunk after parade lap, I was like, what, fender to lip?
Yeah, I don't know how many people he had in his trunk, but he was fender to lip, and I was like, damn, this is gangster.
Damn, bro.
How you doing, man? Welcome.
What's good?
We're now at PA, guys. Car's in here. Like I mentioned, the car's making a weird noise. I talked to Reggie about it just now. He's gonna go ahead and check it out, just see nothing's out of the ordinary of the car. I'm gonna be driving up to the Bay this weekend. I need to make sure the car's gonna make it. He said it should be tighter, but let's not assume. We're gonna go ahead and put on the lift after the brake job. But yeah, I really hope it is. Car just got wrapped up. Really, really good. Still couldn't assess exactly what the sound is that the car is making, but we removed the spacers in the rear because we're assuming that's what it's making, but we don't know. But car drives fine, brakes are good, fully flushed. She's ready to rock. I'll see you later, bro. Thank you so much, Reggie. See you, Matt.
Later, boys. All right, later.
Take care,
Brakes feel good, solid?
Yeah, perfect.
All right, no speeding ticket. Be safe out there.
Yes, see ya.